Assalamualaikum and good morning, everyone. I hope everyone in a good condition.
Waalaikumsalam. Alhamdulillah, we are.
Salam, Alhamdulillah.
Okay, good. Is everyone present today?
I am afraid Mr. Zikri can't be with us today because he is having a cold.
Alright, let's begin the meeting. Okay, the purpose of today's meeting is we want to discuss our academic tour to Bangkok. The first item on the agenda that needs our attention is we have to set up a steering committee, which is divided into 4 sections. The first one is logistic and technical. The second one is the itinerary. The third one is welfare and safety. And the last one is transportation. So everyone can pick one of the job scope if you think you have the ability to handle it.
Uh, Excuse me, before we choose, may I know what is logistic and technical in this context?
Logistics is the term which generally means the management of transportation of information from one place to another. Logistics involves things like transportation, inventory, packaging, supplies, and sometimes social security for the participants.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Azim. But you don't need to worry about transportation because that will be anyone else's responsibility.
Then I think I can handle this part of our tour.
Okay, good.
So, Mr. Asri will be in charge of logistics and technical in this project.
Okay, next we have 3 more job scope to be divided.
I'm sorry, but could you repeat the job scope that available for now?
We have the itinerary. The third one is welfare and safety, and the last one is transportation.
Thank you. I think I will be in charge in the itinerary since I am an organized person and I have the experience in making the schedule for my class. So I think I will make a good job in planning the schedule trip.
I agree with what Mr. Azam just said, and I think that I will be in charge of welfare and safety. I will make sure that everything important for the safety of the participants will be provided, such as first aid kit to prevent something unwanted from happening.
Okay, so Mr. Azam will be in charge in the itinerary, and Mr. Amza will be in charge of welfare and safety. And the transportation, I will handle it.
Are you sure about that, Mr. Azim? I'm afraid you can't handle it well because you have a lot of things to do, like the minutes meeting and reschedule the meeting. But if you're okay with that, we're going to proceed.
Oh, don't worry, Mr. Izwan. I think I can handle this well, since this is not my first time handling something like this.
Okay, very well, Mr. Azim. Alright, it looks like we covered the main point. Is there any business to discuss?
Yes, I would like to suggest, how about we add up a quota for our club to 20 more people, because I think it will be fun to have someone new in our club.
Yes, that will be
Yeah,
good.
that
Yeah.
would be a good idea.
If it's that so, Mr. Azim, please take down the note and we will make an advertisement to recruit a new member for our club.
All right, Mr. Izwan.
Well, I think that covers everything. Thank you so much for your attendance today, and we will meet again for the next meeting. So, thank you. That's all for today's meeting. Meet you again for the next meeting. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.